Today we're going to learn how to make a pivot table via Excel. We're going to be using Airbnb tab on this Excel sheet. So first things first, we're going to need to select all of our data. So we're going to go up to the top left corner and click on this triangle. That's going to select all of our data needed for our pivot table. Next, we're going to go up to our Insert tab, and we're going to go to our left, and we're going to click on Pivot Table. A screen is going to pop up, and we're going to use all of this data in our pivot table. It just shows all the data that's going to be used in our pivot table. So we're going to press OK. A new sheet is going to pop up, and on our right we have our pivot table fields, which we'll be using to create our pivot table. We're going to put neighborhood in columns, room type in rows, and price into values. We're going to click on the triangle on price, and we're going to go to value field settings, and we're going to change that to the average of the price. Next, we're going to put a filter on minimum nights, and we're going to click on the arrow on minimum nights, and that's going to pop up all of the data in minimum nights. And we're going to deselect 2, 3, and 4. Press OK. Then we're going to drag minimum nights into our filters box, and there is our completed table. It's actually pretty long, so we're going to scroll, and keep scrolling until we get to the end of the table. There's a lot of neighborhoods because that's our column, so I'm going to keep scrolling, and we get to the end, where we're going to show you our grand total, and then the top two are the grand total of the different room types. Also, you can change the filter of the minimum nights also on the table. Can select all, deselect all, but we're just going to stick to 2, 3, and 4. Press OK. And next, we're going to be making a pivot chart for our table. It's going to be in the tools under Analyze. We're going to click on Pivot Chart, and we're going to be making a cluster column. So it's being like a bar chart kind of, but it's all of them clustered together. We press OK, and it's going to insert the chart into the same sheet with our table. So you can also change the filter of minimum nights again in the clustered column chart. It just shows you we have our average of the price on the y-axis, and on the x we have the room types. You can also change the filter for room types. I'm going to take away private room, see how it looks different, and there we just have entire room apartment and the shared room. But we're going to put it back for our sake. You can also change the design of your clustered column chart if you wish. They have all types of different visual differences. All the way to the bottom, you can change your background to black, etc., etc. Now we're going to start changing the color. Excel already has different color schemes for you to choose from. You can have pastels, whatever color schemes. We're going to go with the blue and gray because I like how that one looks. You can also make your chart bigger if you want to see it in detail. Smaller if you want to make it smaller. You can change the color of the words, the type of wording that you got going on there. So there we go. Hi, my name is Taraya Hawkins Regis, and my major is business management, aka managerial sciences. If you're going to get into the technical wording of it, all means the same thing. But thanks for watching my Excel for Dummies Taraya version of how to create a pivot table.